Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you guys. Now, I will be doing some deals at Target as well. So as soon as I leave here, I'm going to head over there and knock out some deals there. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. So, listen, for my weekend, I need 15 offers. You already know. Larger bonus. It's not gonna happen. So today, again, like the last video, we're just gonna do what we want to do what feels right. It's gotta feel right, you know. It's gotta feel right. And we're gonna keep it moving. I did want to mention the apps. So the sister apps: Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox, Tada, EasyBucks. I think we should probably lump Checkout 51 in there too, because they do tend to have some identical offers. I guess only reason why I don't necessarily include it in the sister apps is because, you know, because they have different types of offers than the actual sister apps, like, you know, like the Advil on Checkout 51, it's $1.20 for each one. On Swag, on the sister apps, it's $6 for buying two. So that's why I kind of don't lump it in the same, but you do have issues with submitting the receipt to both of those. I've already told you guys how I do it. But now I guess we're lumping Shopkick in there as well, since they are at least from my understanding, I don't know for sure, because I don't have the app anymore. For some of their offers, they are excluding the stacking of other apps. So there's a lot of that going on right now. I think it kind of sucks. I feel like they should let us just be great. Can you just let us just be great? Huh? Can you just let us be great? Because at the end of the day, it's like, I feel like these apps really just want us to use just their app. And it's like, we're trying to save as much as we can, like dead ass. We're trying to save as much as we can, and to cut down on the stacking kind of sucks. You know what I mean? It doesn't kind of suck. It sucks. And so, yeah, I will be doing what I can as far as the deals are concerned. I will be stacking where I can, using coupons where I can. And so with that being said, we're going to head into Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what you're grabbing to do, keep on watching.
All right, y'all. So this first deal popped up on Fetch Reward, but it doesn't look like we have the Hot Ones hot sauce. I think they might have it at Target. Well, they have it at Target. It's $6.99. It's a combo offer, so you have to buy two of the Knorrs. These are priced at $128, and then at Target they have the hot sauce for $6.99. So all three products are gonna cost $9.55. You'll get back $5 for buying the three items. On Fetch makes them $151 each. Now I think, well, I thought they might have a little small hot sauce here because it doesn't specify it has to be the regular size one. So I was thinking they would have the smaller one. They don't carry those here anymore, at least not at this store. So I'm going to check Target and see if they have the mini one and see if we can get that price a little lower than that. So this next set of deals is on the cup of noodles. The 6-pack is priced at $228. You're going to get back 50 cents on Ibotta, makes it $178 or 29 cents per cup, which is not bad considering the cost of one cup over there is like 37 cents. So that's a great deal. If they had it in beef, I would totally grab it because that's the kind that Josiah likes. Well, he hasn't been eating it lately, so maybe it's good they don't have it. And then the bistro one is priced at $108, getting back 50 cents makes that 58 cents. The stir fry one is 97 cents, making it 47 cents each. Am I gonna be doing all the deals in the basket? It's like they're stocking the shelves. This deal is on the Progressive Pitmaster. These are priced at $2.58. If you grab two of them, You end up paying $5.16. You get back 50 cents for each on Ibotta. There's also $1 back on Fetch for buying 2. It makes them $1.58 each. All right, so this offer just keeps on popping up. It's the gift that just keeps on giving. One of you guys said the white cran strawberry is really good, so I'm gonna try that one. But thus far, the grape is my favorite. This one is not bad either, so we're gonna try this one, priced at $2.58. Getting that back through Ibotta. Wish it was available for Walmart Rewards, but it's not. I always wonder, how come some of the freebies are available from Walmart Rewards and some of them are not, as far as, you know, the Ibotta freebies? But yeah, gonna grab one, absolutely free. And of course, now my area, we don't carry the stir anymore. I believe it's priced at $3.28. Getting that back through Ibotta makes it absolutely free. I wish I actually had a reason to buy this, but the deals are just not dealing. And it's just like, I'm just like, y'all, I'm just coming up empty-handed. I'm like coming in here with a bag and I'm leaving out with nothing. I don't know, but I'm hoping things pick up soon. This deal again is on the A&D Treaton Hill Cream, priced at $5.74, getting back $2.74 on Ibotta. There's also an offer on Fetch for me, $1.75, making this $1.25. You guys, they do have Bonnie here, and it's 3-ply. Look, listen. I didn't think they carried this in my area because I hadn't seen it at the other store. I didn't see it online for sure. Only thing is, it's no longer available for Walmart Rewards, which sucks because I wanted to do it on both to try to maximize it. I'm not even fronting y'all. Since we paying for paper towels now, I be trying to save as much as I can. Like, I be using this, like, you see this picture right here? You see that little quarter? Yeah, your girl dead ass will be using a quarter of a sheet if that's all that I feel like I need. And if I use a full sheet, I gotta do a whole lot with that one sheet. Is that bad? Like, is that bad? Because I feel like I gotta wipe the counter down. Now let me wipe the stove down, wipe the dishwasher off. Let me wipe the freaking microwave off. Yeah, I'll be doing the most with that one sheet. But anyway, so listen, Brawny, it is priced at $10.58. Getting back 2 on Ibotta. I also have 2 on Checkout 51. I'm gonna try on Easy Bucks as well, see how that works out. And then we have $1.50 back on Checkout 51. It's gonna bring that down to only $3.08, which is not bad at all. I'm hoping it'll reset for me on Ibotta, but because it's no longer available on Walmart Rewards, I don't think that it is. And so definitely is not a bad deal. All right, guys, so listen, I guess the universe was like, Shay, boo, I got you, babe. So listen, it's on the Scentiva, Clorox. They only have 4, and lucky, that's all I need. They're priced at $2.68. I'm going to grab this deal again. One of you guys asked in the last video, you can grab all 4 on one receipt if you want, but it is 2 receipt submissions per month. So you can do either 2 on each receipt or you can do 4 at once. I usually do 4 at once because if it has to go on review for the first set, you can't submit the second set because it's in review. And so you'd have to wait for it to clear first. So that's why I like to just max it out and just knock it out. And so we're going to grab, we're going to grab 4 of these priced at $2.68. We'll pay $10.72, getting back $5 for all 4. On Easy Bucks, bringing these down to $1.43 each. Of course, you can grab the spray. It's priced at $5.12. 2 of them is going to cost you $10.24. Getting back 5 on Easy Bucks makes them $2.62. And of course, there's the wipes, priced at $5.78. For this, you want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $11.56. Getting back 5 on Easy Bucks brings them down to $3.28 each. And then the bleach. I'm really hoping that the Clorox Scentivas pop up on Checkout 51 tomorrow. Like, that would be so awesome. But as of here right now, they're priced at $5.72. You want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $11.44. You'll get back 6 on Easy Bucks for buying 2. Brings them down to $2.72 each, which is not bad. That's like $3 whole dollars off. No coupons needed. And so, and just a reminder, the pencils, I'm looking for the cheaper ones. Here goes one right here. The Pen and Gear pencils are priced at 49 cents, getting back 15 cents on Ibotta. It's an any pencil offer, bringing this down to 34 cents, which is not a bad deal for some pencils. And here we are. It's such a great deal. It's free. It's like, why not? It's like a no-brainer. as they might say. It's on the Advil liquid gels on the minis, priced at $4.28. For this, you're grabbing 2 of them. You'll pay $8.56, getting back 6 on Easy Bucks. Limit is 2, so you can grab 4. And then $2.40 total on checkout 51, making them only 8 cents each, which is definitely not a bad deal. If you haven't did the Haleon Huddle rebate, which is spend 25, get back 10 yet, it is a limit of 2. You could get 4 of these, and again, 2 of the Tums. You'll get back, what is that, 6, 12, 18. From Easy Bucks, we'll get back $1.20 times 4 on the Advil on checkout 51, and you'll get back that $10. I want to say it makes it a $3-ish moneymaker if you haven't did that deal yet. Of course, I already maxed it out, so I will probably just be grabbing 4 of these today. And so yeah, not a bad deal.
All right, guys, so we are headed to Target. I only have a handful of deals to do here. We have some freebies. I wanted to do the granola yogurt deal from Flavor Wiki. I do have that twice on Joseph's account, so we're going to go ahead and knock. Well, I did one already. I'm going to go ahead and grab another set. And so let's jump on in and see what kind of awesome deals we can grab here at Target. All right, so first up is the Gorgie. Now, originally I was just going to grab one of these. It would be free with Social Nature, but I did find an aisle offer for buy 4, get 4 free. So we're going to grab 4 of them. We'll end up paying $10.36 out of pocket. We'll get that back through aisle. And then we'll also get back $2.59 back from Social Nature, making this a $2.59 moneymaker. Now, you could grab 5 if you wanted. It'll just make them all free, but I wanted the moneymaker, so I grabbed 4. Next up is the Roar. This is a coconut water. It is priced at $2.59. You'll get back $2.49 on Ibotta, making this a net cost of only 10 cents. I did have an offer for aisles, but I think mine's expired already. And so yeah, it definitely is not a bad deal. All right, so next up is the Stir. I feel like us rebaters, we're probably the only ones that buy this stuff. I kind of feel like low-key we are, because I probably got a good dozen downstairs. And so we're going to grab the Stirs, priced at $3.99. I'm getting back $3.49 on Ibotta. Brings us down to only 49 cents. And of course, it's free. Well, it's not free. Okay, it's not free. But we're going to grab it anyways. All right, so the Cocoa 5 water is one product that we do not sell in our area. Well, not at Target. I have it at Walmart. So for this, we want to grab a total of 2 of them. There is a buy one, get one free offer on aisle. You can text offer to 251-355-1895. And then you'll also get back 50 cents for each on Ibotta, bringing this down to only 64 cents each. And last but not least, I wanted to do this deal here. It's a Flavor Wiki deal. Now with this, you want to do the shopping part first. That's the part that tells you what to get. I just grabbed everything at one time and then took it home and did everything. All right, so for this, you want to grab the Kodiak granola. It's priced at $5.29. We're also going to grab the Nature Valley at $4.89. And we're going to buy 2 of the vanilla Chobani's, priced at $1.59. You end up paying $13.36 out of pocket. You'll get back $22 on Flavor Wiki. Now, I did try submitting this receipt to Checkout 51 for 75 cents. It did work. I assume that it will work as well on Easy Bucks. And so it'll make everything here free plus a $10.14 moneymaker. And I did do this deal twice, which made it even better. All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for today. This worked out really good. That brownie, y'all, that brownie is giving me so much joy right now. I just can't explain it. I was really hoping I'd be able to do that again or do it on Walmart rewards, but I guess I'm happy with the one I got. I ain't got no choice, right? The Clorox, that also makes me happy. And of course the granola, hello. I've been eating the heck out of that granola. I gotta slow my roll because don't get it twisted. It might say 16 grams of protein, but best believe it's a whole lot of other stuff in there that you probably don't need a lot of. But it's so good though. And so I'm happy about that. I did try the Olipop, but my OTC didn't work. And I did go to self-checkout. And so I have to scratch that. Other than that, everything here again worked out really good. I was trying to get my my Flavor Wiki surveys done so that I would get it back before the weekend hit. but I didn't. I barely finished them yesterday. And so I won't be getting back that until Monday. But super duper stoked about this haul, even though it's so small. With the Brawny, I submitted that to Ibotta. My app was going so slow today. It just kept loading and loading and loading and loading and loading, but not loading, right? And so I didn't get credit for the Brawny, had to put a support ticket in. And then I didn't have it on the Checkoff 51 account I wanted to submit it with, because I did that with the Advil as well. And so I had to return the Brawny, repurchase it, and then submit that receipt to, Ibotta and my Checkoff 51 account. I didn't have it on Joseph's, I had it on mine. And even that didn't get picked up. It said that I've already done it already, which I hadn't. So, and I hadn't submitted the receipt anywhere else, because as y'all know, Checkoff 51's got to be first. And so I had to put a support ticket in for that. Advil and the Clorox went straight through, which was awesome. Everything else here worked out good. And so everything you see here retails $84.66. No coupons. My sales tax was $3.80. Getting back 44 from Flavor Wiki. Easy Bucks, $19. Ibotta was $10.81. Aisle is $10.36. Checkout 51, $7.55. Social Nature, $2.59. And last but not least, Fetch Reward, $1.50. Bringing that total to $95.81 back, making everything you see here free plus an $11.15 moneymaker. Y'all, I can't complain. I can't complain. To get $90 worth of product free plus 11 bucks, no complaints here. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button. In the comments, what's your favorite deal this week? I know the deals suck. They're slim picking, but what is your favorite deal this week? Mine is, of course, the Brawny and the Clorox, and of course, the granola. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.